No fighting yet, guys. Keep walking. Richie, Gavin. You said that when you were a tiny baby. Justin, do anything, bro, besides drinking Coke? Chara? Hi, Chara. Say hi. Come on. Yours camera shy, but when you look at your baby videos, like, oh, you'll be baby in 5 years from now. This will be baby video.
Charles, stop looking.
I can't, I'm tired.
You can't see Mrs. Hands. Doesn't have access. You can see the acid either. Keep moving.
Charles, you're slow, bro. Charles got like the lame angel. Starts kicking it. Starts kicking it.
I'm tired.
Really, Star?
I need to go all the way
Good
up
job.
there.
Go!
You
Don't lose your nuts.
I got this all.
Failed. Hold on, wait for them to get out of the way.
They wiped out. What's that?
I used to fit on this sled.
Okay, baby.
My hands are so cold.
Baby and G, go.
All right, baby and Chico. Come on, first time. Okay.
Baby, baby, say hi. Bye.
New path. New path.
New path gets created.
New path. I'm not going.
Okay, Charles. You gotta try to keep the same path. Try to smooth it out. That's what snowboarders do. Go ahead, Adriana.
Push me.
So push her.
Oh wait, this is how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to sit down. Start, sit down.
Wow, Adriana, that's fail, bro.
Yeah, sit down.
You gotta learn how to steer that thing.
Sit down in front of me.
Mom.
No, sit down.
Now there's snow.
Star, anytime, bro. Whoa. Watch out, Adriana, you're blocking the view, bro.
You guys are crazy. I just snatched him like a...
Charles putting on the boots. A snowboard. It's been a while.
I tried steering it. Oh god, yeah, oh my god.
Keep going until we smoothen it. Until it turns to ice. Then you go so quick. Oh, nice, Gavin. Go into the tree, bro. Go into the tree. It's good for you. It's like discipline.
Did you like it?
Yeah, he was laughing. Oh, that was sad.
Cha, today, bro.
Oh, the handle.
You need to make it that tight, Cha. It's not that steep of a hill.
You're going down like a third of a bunny slope. Not even.
Well, come on, Cha. Keep your knees bent. Come on, bro.
You just backside it.
You gotta kick that leg out, bro. You gotta make sure how to do this. You forgot how to do it already? It's only been a few years. Bend your knees. Don't lock them. Don't lock your knees, bro. Wow. And here's a dog. Hey, dog. What's his name? What's his name? Oh.
Richie, you're missing out, Richie.
What's this one's name?
Judy.
Judy.
Watch out.
Oh, excuse you.
I had to touch that with my nose.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right, come on down, Charles. Come on. There's Justin. Richie walking up. Adriana, skip Scott. I'm skipping down the hill. Okay, here's Charles. Don't lock your knees. Kick it. Nice, Chara. Ooh, whoops.
What can you do this time?
Char, I didn't get you next time. Star and Char, I didn't get you guys in the beginning. I told him Mr. Star. Here's Gavin, Patrick, and Justin. Choo-choo train. Choo-choo. Star just passed out on the walk up the hill. Star has just passed out on the walk up the hill. Here's Richie on the right, Adriana. Here goes Richie with the snowboarding as the sled. Ooh, this kid's got creativity. Ooh, look at him go. And this is Adriana. Adriana, stop going off track, bro. Baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Whoa, snowboard. I mean, snowball. Hit me. Hit me, buddy. Hit me. Hit me in the face.
It's a snow fight.
Hit me in the face. Hit me. Nope.
Snowball fight with Uncle Chad.
Whoa. Come on, boy. Hit me. Hit me. Whoa. That's a big one. Oh, you got me right in the peanut. Gee. Oh, gee, come on, bro. Go off track. Off track she goes.
Cristiano, do you follow directions, dude?
Cristiano, bro. Bro, follow direction. We're not playing snowball fight, buddy. Hello. Okay.
Cover the snow from touching
Oh, good.
All right, let's go. Yeah,
I didn't say it works.
you want to go inside, baby? Yes. Because you don't have any. You don't...
Don't lock your knees. Nice. Nice. Woohoo. Whoa. And Star on the sled. Can she beat Char? Can she? Richie, your turn.
How we all go?
The trek up the hill is a challenge. Star has taken 3 breaks already. Whoa. And Patrick. And Richie. And Patrick's in the lead. And Patrick falls off. And he crashes into Richie.
I celebrated too early. Dude, I was early. Celebrated too early.
And Justin. And 20 minutes later, Star's still trekking up the hill. Trekking up the hill. She's about to pass out. Oh, she's about to pass out, right? Star, come on, you can do it, Star. Here's Justin. Can he do it? Don't lock your knees. Don't lock your knees. Lean forward. Lean forward towards the hill. Down the hill. Not lean backwards. You lean backwards, you fall like that. Gotta lean forward, bro. The walk of shame. And Star. Still trekking up the hill. 40 minutes later. Oh, here's Char. Can she do it? Don't lock that knees. Keep it like a spring. And she does it. Woohoo! Finally, An hour later, Star made it up the hill. Here we go, Star. Come on, Star. Fall on your face like last one that I missed recording. Come on, fall on your face. Fall down on your face, bro. Nope, not this time. And Richie and Patrick went separate ways as Patrick goes backwards and falls. Got snow all over his face right there. Oh, that's gotta hurt. And Star. Still coming up the hill 2 hours later. Slowly, she's making her way up. Oh, here's Justin. And he did it. Patrick.
You got lucky, boy.
Oh, that's Richie. Sing somewhere over the rainbow. In this case, somewhere over the snow.
No, 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 no.
And this is Star.
Yeah, please.
Getting an assistant that went nowhere.
You might as well come back up, so you already.
So you might as well come back up so you don't have to walk so far. Trust me, go back up, bro. And here's Chara, the all-star, on her off day. What does she do on her off day? She snowboards and falls on her face. Star that didn't wait. Good job, Star. She passed out again from exhaustion. Richie has announced that this is tiring. Yeah, think, buddy? He's not used to the real world. He's used to sitting on his desk playing game all day, bro.
I remember when we landed, it was smooth because the slope.
And here's Chara racing up the hill. Oh, that's Star. Still Star racing up the hill. Wow. Star, you slow. This is Star. Star. Hello, Star. She's tired. Just like Rishi, she's tired. Oh, the last run of the day. Everybody's running down there, literally. Crashing into each other. Justin, let's go, buddy. Last run of the day. Guys, watch out. Justin's coming in. He's going to come on a snowboard. It's going to be fast. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watch out. That's a sharp edge.
Bro, I see your butt cheek and then the snowboard.
And this is the neighbor's backyard side. Yeah, they're leaving. Why, you gonna go down one more, Star? You sure? You sure, Star? Cause this could be the only snow we see this winter.